First things first, ditch that.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Sess Interiors. Welcome if you're new here. This channel is where I help you design a home that you love. Today we are tackling one of the biggest challenges in interior design, how to avoid the little mistakes that can make your space look, well, cheap. Whether you're on a budget or splurging on your dream decor, these tips will elevate your space and make it feel more polished and put together. Let's dive in.
First things first,
Ditch the cheap looking lighting.
anything builder grade.
Lighting can make or break your space. Avoid builder grade ceiling lights or overly trendy fixtures that look flimsy. Instead, invest in versatile lighting. Think sleek pendant lights, modern floor lamps, or statement chandeliers that elevate the room. And don't forget layering. Combine overhead, task, and ambient lighting for maximum impact.
That's making your space look a little bit low quality. So if you can do something about these items, then go ahead. If not, there are also ways on how to upgrade, how to elevate those looks. I have other interior design related videos that you can check out. Those videos might help you. Another thing, matching furnitures. Try to avoid that. Don't get two matching couches with a matching armchair. And to make it worse, with a matching sideboard and a matching side table, matching
Beware of
coffee table,
matchy
and
matchy sets. Matching furniture sets can feel uninspired. Instead, mix and match styles, textures, and materials, even colors, to create depth and personality in your space. For example, pair a modern sofa with a vintage coffee table or add textured throw pillows for contrast.
having all those matchy pieces is not going to give you that aesthetics. Another one would be having too small furniture, especially if you have a large space. Balance the sizes of your furniture with your space, and you can achieve that elevated look. You can have that more luxurious space.
Say no to oversized furniture. Furniture that's too big for your space, it doesn't matter how gorgeous that huge couch is. If it overwhelms the room, it's going to look awkward and cluttered. Always measure space before buying furniture and consider proportions. Opt for pieces that complement the size of your room. Next, avoid
Small knickknacks in every corner of your house.
avoid overloading with decor.
Like a memorabilia here and there, artwork that is misplaced or just feels crowded.
Too many accessories can make your home feel chaotic. Instead of cramming every surface with decor, focus on a few key pieces. A well placed vase, a set of books, or a framed piece of art can create a more cohesive and intentional look.
So this I am guilty of faux materials and finishes because I've used peel and stick in my fireplace, in my backsplash. Those are the two things that are in my to-do list or in my future projects when the budget allows it. It works for now. It's a temporary fix. I might have to take off those peel and stick backsplash now that I'm over it. I might stay with what was there before, which is a mirrored subway tile. We'll see. Yeah, those items, especially those peel and stick that you put on your counters. Not because I have a solid quartz on my countertop, the existing one, but even if I don't, I am okay with the pattern and the color of it. And even if I don't, I'm not going to go as far as sticking those peel and stick paper on a counter. For one thing, it's not going to last, definitely. Another thing, you touch it, you feel it every time. Lastly, it's prone to molds, bacteria, and I don't like that, right? Nobody likes that anyway. So if you don't have the budget yet for a nicer or a better quality countertop or backsplash, just save up for it. That I and save your effort, save that stress of putting a temporary peel and stick countertop.
Now say goodbye to misfitting curtains. Short or poorly hung curtains are one of the quickest ways to cheapen your space. Always hang your curtains high and wide. This makes your ceilings look taller and your windows grander. And please make sure your curtains touch the floor. High water curtains are a big no.
Those cliche word art. Those are too farmhousey or cottagey, which isn't my aesthetics. If that's your aesthetics, well and good. Fine. I'm happy for you. But for me, I'm over and done with those things. I admit I was there too, years and years back in my old house. But those are better left in a cottage home, a beach house, maybe, a quaint cabin, maybe. But still, I'm just done with those word art.
Avoid cheap
Okay,
looking art. Art is an incredible way to personalize your home, but cheap, mass produced prints can hurt your design. Instead, explore local artists, thrift stores, or even DIY your own artwork. A unique piece will always feel more special and elevate your space. Don't forget about rugs. Rugs can tie a room together, but the wrong size can throw it all off. A rug that's too small will make your furniture feel disconnected. Aim for a rug large enough to anchor your furniture. At least the front legs of your sofa and chairs should sit on it. And the simplest tip that I can give you is to declutter and simplify your decor. Too many accessories can make a space look chaotic. Prioritize a few intentional pieces, such as a vase, books, or framed art, to create a clean and cohesive aesthetic. Keep an eye on quality. It's better to invest in fewer high quality items than to fill your space with cheap, low quality ones. Prioritize timeless pieces over trends, and don't be afraid to splurge a little on things you use daily like your sofa or dining chairs. And there you have it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can create a space that looks high end, even on a budget. It feels luxurious, it looks luxurious. Remember, a stylish home isn't about spending a fortune, it's about making thoughtful choices.
have fun, experiment, and be yourself. That's my point in this video. Just giving you my 2 cents. I hope I did not offend anybody. And if I did, this is just me sharing my own ideas in my own channel. Not to sound sarcastic, but yeah, I guess that's it. That's about it. If you have more that I wasn't able to cover, please let me know down below in the comments and we can chat there and brainstorm. Okay. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button, share with your friends and family so that we can be a bigger community of stylish designers. Remember, style is what you make or break. Love and light to all.
Bye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.